The Quicke Q6M has been extremely easy to get on with, very user-friendly. The actual controls integrated into the tractor. I sell topsoils and wood chips, grain, silage, so I can weigh and then give the customer a nice invoice showing everything that happened, when it happened and where from. The Q Companion has definitely saved me time, because I used to have to travel to a weighbridge, which would sometimes incur cost. Within a couple of years, we'd be sort of looking at cost neutral, really, I would have thought. With the system, I can weigh everything that comes off the field, so I know what stocks I've got. Straw bales, they vary so much from straw to straw and density to density. When you used to say 3 bales to the ton, it's relevant nowadays, really. The automatic on the Q Companion is far more sort of user-friendly. The manual's good for when you're just doing little spot cycles. The Q Companion's been vital in little gardening enterprises when they come and want like a ton of topsoil. Been using it for that most weeks. I've still got a few things to learn about it. I'm sort of not completely up to speed with it all, but I think as the more you use it, it's one of those things that it becomes more friendly to use. Over this winter, considering the summer we had last year, it's been a hell of a bonus really for me. The height meter, I mean, I've got a lot of low buildings here, and just to have that reassurance that you're not going to be ripping the shed roof off just from the beep is great. And that's all settable to the individual users. You can see each individual lift, so you want the capacity in your bucket all the time, or you grab as much as possible. So to be efficient, you know that you're getting that weights every time. The app for Q Companion on my phone has been extremely easy. It just immediately connects once you've done the initial setup, and every time you want to take some information off the system, it literally just, it's there in your hand. Love it to bits.